if you have a steam boiler like I do, then you got to make sure you keep track of the water if you don't have an automatic filler. This is from last night, and it has gone down, and so we got to add water to it. And here we go. You should be able to see the water start to rise from the very bottom of that glass, little spyglass thing. So it's about here right now, and it's on its way up. So when it's really cold, you got to make sure you keep water in there, or the furnace is going to shut down. Don't ask me how I know that. Anyway, there's the lowest permissible water level, and we were close to that, right? And that was just after one night. And then this is where we want to be for normal operation. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it a little bit higher than that. So we now come above the normal level. I'll run it up to about here. And then that will be fine for another day. And here we go. And there you go, all ready to roll. Now, I know that that was kind of hard to see because that sight glass is kind of grungy. So I replaced it, and here's what it looks like now.